Hello everyone. So I am very glad introducing Legum Mentor on YouTube as well. So we are currently using Teachment as a learning platform for the aspirants of judicial services and the student who want to prepare for judicial services. We are using Teachment as a platform professionally for the classes, for the online live classes. We are taking daily live classes. So I am Shobit Garg, founder educator at Legum Mentor, and another is Ms. Gauri Verma ma'am. She is also the founder educator of Legum Mentor. So we both are taking the live lectures daily for the different subjects simultaneously. Currently we are having two batches. That is, in one batch we are currently teaching civil procedure code, and another is constitutional law. And soon we will also come up with the another batch in which we will be taking contracts and TPA, that is Transfer of Property Act. So this is basically the introductory video, that what is Legum Mentor, what is the institute all about, who all are teachers, and what is the strategy. So all these things I will be taking in this particular video. So this is not a live session, but soon I will be coming up live and taking different doubts regarding the preparation, and what should be the strategy, and what should be the approach towards the strategy, what all things should do, and what the things should not do during your preparation, what should be your approach, right? And what should be your daily routine, etc. I will be taking that in the next live session. I will be going live on YouTube or on Teachment, and we will be posting different videos on YouTube in a short span of time, with regard to the current affairs, with regard to the previous year question revision series. But it is not possible to put all the detailed lecture of the classes to on YouTube, because they are very detailed lecture. 1 hour 1.5 hour का एक lecture होता है, तो it is not possible to put all the lecture on YouTube. But you can have certain things on YouTube which we will be posting, and it is those video will be a quality video, and because there is a lot of content on internet, so you have to just single out yourself, and you have to single out as per your preparation very smartly, that what should be watched and what should be taken from the internet or not. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आप ये वो चैनल मत फॉलो कीजिए, ये वाला चैनल ना फॉलो कीजिए, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बट यू शुड बी वेरी वाइज वाइल सेलेक्टिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन टेकिंग फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. सो this is all about the institute, that we are strictly follow the procedure for the or the requirements, basically the requirements for the judicial services preparation. We are also taking the different batches for UGC net preparation and APO and other law exams. But we are strictly follow or strictly strict to the judicial services preparation. ठीक है. So this is all about the institute. And now what should be the what our strategy regarding the competitive examination. So while we are taking online lectures, we are strictly concerned about the concepts, right? So whenever we are taking any of the subjects like IPC, constitution, CPC, CRPC, so we are strictly follow the method and the pattern which is required for the judicial services examination, because it is a journey of 14 months, actually 13 to 14 months, 15 months भी हो जाता है, because you are going to be a judicial officer. So it is not easy. This is not an easy task that you will going to complete it in a 1 year. So it takes 13 to 14 months, because it also consists preparation of preliminary examination, मेंस एग्जामिनेशन, इंटरव्यू, करंट अफेयर्स, GK पार्ट भी है, आपका इंग्लिश भी है, ट्रांसलेशंस भी है. देर आर डिफरेंट अदर एरियाज एज वेल. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपने लॉ पढ़ लिया तो आपका एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाएगा. देर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स, यू हैव टू बी टेक केयर ऑफ दैट एज वेल. You have to take all those areas simultaneously with the law subjects, right? So I will be telling you in the live lectures that उसको कैसे करना है. During your lecture you will be getting all the guidelines कि भाई आप अगर कोई हम आपको, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम आपको अबेटमेंट पढ़ा रहे हैं, या फिर आपको CPC में रेस जुडिकाटा पढ़ाया जा रहा है, तो आपको उसमें बताया जाएगा कि what should all be done for the exam point of view, right? And what should be the pattern of answer writing, वो भी आपको क्लास में ही कराया जाएगा। बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होता है कि एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन आपकी प्री की अलग होगी, मेंस की अलग होगी एंड इंटरव्यू की अलग होगी, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है। इट इज़ अ होलसम प्रिपरेशन एंड वी विल बी ट्राई टू डिलीवर दैट एज वेल, राइट। देन हमारा टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या होगा? टारगेट ऑडियंस हमारा होगा जो स्टूडेंट्स दोज हु आर aspiring for judicial services. We are strictly follow the procedure or strictly keen to those students those who want to prepare for judicial services, right? Then I'm also going to tell you about the platform we are using for the online classes. We are using Teachment app. You can download it from the Play Store, and you can enroll yourself as a student, and uh, by the link we will be giving by the teachers and the ID given by the teachers for the particular classroom. There is a classroom given subject wise, so you can enroll by the permission. You can send an enrollment request and teacher will approve that, and you can take 2 days trial classes, and then you can, if you like it, you can enroll in that particular classes. And if you don't want to enroll, teacher will remove you as well. Okay. Then there is a things there is a different multiple things you will be we will be providing you during the course or during the preparation, right? So we will be providing you different material with regard to current affairs, different judgments, different answer writing tips, and other material as well as and as per the need of the examination, राइट। सो करंट अफेयर्स का मटेरियल भी मिलता है आपको, कुछ हैंडआउट्स भी मिलते हैं ड्यूरिंग दी प्रिपरेशन। सो आंसर राइटिंग में आपको डिक्टेशंस, तो वो आपका क्लासरूम का ही एक पार्ट है, जो भी आपका कंसेप्ट है वहाँ पर आपको विद डिक्टेशंस पढ़ाया जाता है। ठीक है, एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि प्री का पढ़ाया जाएगा फिर मेंस का पढ़ाया जाएगा, इट इज़ होलसम प्रिपरेशन। मेंस का पढ़ाते पढ़ाते आपको प्री का बताया जाता है कि ये दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर preliminary point of view, this particular part is important for means perspective, and this particular part is important for interview. What should be your personality, what should be your the basic understanding with regard to the things which is required for the competition. So all these things will be will going to be delivered in the classroom lectures as well. ठीक है। सो एजुकेटर्स के बारे में मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है कि मी एंड गौरी मैम आर द 2 मेन एजुकेटर्स आर देयर हु विल बी टेकिंग योर क्लासेस फॉर जुडिशियल सर्विसेज, एंड इफ अनदर बैचेस विल बी देयर that may taken by the other teachers also, right? But there are 2 main teachers, that is Gauri Verma ma'am and me. Then if we tell about the portfolios, we are also having some of the students from HGS as well. Those who have one of our student have cleared the Delhi Higher Judicial Service examination, and currently she is also taking classes from our institute, right? And there are other students, those who are having having a very satisfied views with regard to our institute. So, and I will be soon taking the previous year question revision series, and you will be getting the MCQs, daily MCQ practice questions also from the institute, and you can have a different handouts, test papers. All these facilities will be available in the institute. And as far as the procedure for registration is concerned, you can register with us by completing a Google form. There is a Google form which will be, you can have it from the website, or by contacting the authorities of the institute. The numbers and every website will be shared at the comment box below. You can have it, and you can watch the trial class video of Gauri ma'am and me, as well as you can have a video of IPC and Constitution. You can have a CPC and CIPC. You can have a sample video of these subjects in the links I will be sharing at the end of the video. From the comment box you can have those links, and watch those videos and share your views as well. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for further updates, and next session will be my live session, in which I will be taking some doubts regarding the how to prepare for judicial services and what should be the approach towards the preparation, what should be the things to do and not to do. Thank you so much. We'll see you.